Well, good morning. It's the weekend. What are you doing this weekend? I think I'll go hiking this weekend. I'm coming out of a trailer. 4 of us stayed in there last night. It's behind a gas station, just off trail. We just ended up over here, and after we ate, we figured, hey, we'll just stay. And now we're waiting for the gas station to open because I guess we're gonna have breakfast this morning. I did just eat some pizza. And so the trail's down that way, as you can see. And they got some lumber mill across the road. I'm gonna flip you around. It's 50 degrees already, which is great. Clouds are just coming off the mountains. Everything's just waking up. Even the mountains are waking up. And we have to climb up. I think we're at around 2,000 feet, and we're going to climb up to around 4,000 feet. And do it this morning. We're going to Woods Hole Hostel this afternoon. I think we're only doing a 16-mile day. Well, that's my average, 16. We're going to walk up to around 4,000 feet, walk the ridge, and end up at the oldest hostel on the Appalachian Trail. And that's why we're going, because it's the oldest hostel on the Appalachian Trail, so we got to go see it. So there's a hiker now. He just woke up. He's moving out. All right, see you guys on the trail. Well, I'm limping out of the gas station, down the road, back toward the trail. It's about half mile. I'm limping because my Achilles heel is not loving me, but it hasn't loved me in a while. And if that's the worst that happens, it'll loosen up here shortly up the way. But anyway, talking with Raven this morning. He's very verbal off video. When you put him on video, he clams right up, like most people. I think that's why a lot of people don't film the people that they're hiking with, because they don't know how to act on video, I guess. But anyway, he was saying a lot of these people are rushing through, and he doesn't understand, and I agree wholeheartedly with the guy, that this is their dream. Their dream is to walk this trail. And, you know, you give up a lot to go do this. I mean, he gave up his apartment, gave up his job. He's going to go do this, and then he's going to go back to his parents' house until he gets an apartment and then goes back to work. But he's doing this, and this is his dream. Why don't you take the time to go see stuff along the trail, which is exactly what we're doing. You know, I'm so happy that I've met somebody that does this, because, I mean, this trail is about the people. It's about the trail. Don't get me wrong. And there's a lot of walking involved every day. But I think that's 2 reasons we set a 15-ish limit on what we do a day. I mean, we do 15 to 18 miles a day. You know, that's 100 miles a week-ish. With taking Neros and zeros if we want to. And, you know, we have some money to do it. So why not? Why not do it? You know, we're still going to get done in August, probably early August or late July. And this trail is really about the Appalachian. And Appalachian means the people that are around you. And I am so happy that we stayed in that garden. That was wonderful. And sitting in that gas station is just so whatever, but it was fine. You know, we met a couple of hikers. We met Samaritan and Jay. Very nice. You know, Jay went by a couple days ago and I thought he was a little rude, but he wasn't rude. He was just moving. You know, I mean, he's hiking. He doesn't have a lot of time. He goes, met him in here. Nicest guy. He's from New York. He's really good guy. Samaritan, really nice guy. So happy that we took the time and met him. Now they'll be ahead of us now until whenever. And we're going to go, like I said, to that hostel today. Because it's the oldest hostel on the trail, we want to see it. And we'll video it. And I don't see him walking up the road yet, unless that's him back there. Could be. Anyway, let me go down to the bottom side of this road. But anyway, I'll see you guys up the road this morning. And here, you can watch the road I'm walking on. We just passed the Wapiti shelter, the murder shelter. Some guy killed a couple people at the shelter, went to jail, 15 years later got out, and then in 2009 tried to do it again. This time he was unsuccessful, but he went back to jail for the rest of his life. They say it's haunted, but they also said they moved the shelter about a mile. So, whatever. Woo. Well, looks like we're at the end of a beautiful climb. Beautiful. The sun's coming out. Sky's turning bluish. Starting to open up below us. pretty nice. They got a nice deck on it, huh?
Yeah, and it was donated by a family.
Yeah.
Really pretty awesome. Yeah.
Pretty neat.
This is probably one of the nicest shelters I've been in.
Really, I thought that one with the fight angel in it was pretty good. If the shower had been working.
Yeah. Yeah, it was.
And the homeless guy.